Regitze from Great Advertising. Today I want to talk about what is cold audiences and what is warm audiences. Maybe you have heard it from a lot of people online who are talking about Facebook ads and Instagram ads, cold audiences and warm audiences. But what is it really? Cold audiences is people who don't know you, who never interacted with your business, who don't follow you on any social media, who you're just a complete stranger, and they may see your ad online, and so they're cold. They don't know anything about you. And the warm audiences is then people who have been interacting with you somehow. It can be following you on Facebook or Instagram or some other platform, or they can be on your email list, or they can be a previous customer. And there's different levels of warm audiences. So people who are a customer, they are the warmest that they can be. And then there's people who maybe have watched some of your videos, who follow you for a long time, who like your Facebook page. They're also fairly warm. And then there's people who just saw you once or so, and they're just a little bit warm. They know you, they know who you are, but they don't follow you, watch all your content every day, so they're just a little warm. So that was a little bit about what cold and warm audiences is. Hope it makes sense. Otherwise, comment below, I will try to explain it better. And also please like the video, share it with your friends, and follow. Also subscribe if you're on YouTube. Click that little notification bell if you're on YouTube also. That way you get notified every time we upload a new video. And also feel free to join our free Facebook group it's called Successful New Coaches, Consultants and Entrepreneurs, where I post a lot of valuable content. Other people also post a lot of valuable content, and you can ask questions, get answers to anything around coaches, consultants, and business and Facebook. Have a great day. Take care.